Hello, welcome to my channel. This is Kendy Bliss Beauty of blissbeautyandglitter.com. Thank you guys so much for being here, and thanks to every single person that I subscribe to our channel, share our video, like, and comment. So I am doing a review today, and my review is about Instasmile. I hope that you guys can see it because the contrast and where I'm sitting. Yeah. So anyway, I'm doing a review today about Instasmile. If you follow me on my other channel, I made a chit chat and I had a conversation about my personal journey. And, it wasn't like my entire life journey because it wouldn't fit into a 12-minute conversation. My mom was 40, so yeah. Anyway, so I had a conversation, and my conversation was about the fact that I was one of those kids growing up that I had the tetracycline syndrome teeth. And so for people who don't know, tetracycline is an antibiotics. Many people were affected, not just even kids that were, born in a different continent like Africa. Even I've seen people here in America also who have also been affected. And I've done several things, all through the years, mostly whitening to kind of have it lighter. But I am comfortable with what it is right now because when you do too many lightning, sometimes your teeth become very sensitive, and believe me, it could be a nightmare. I rather have teeth that I can use than those that it's gonna be like a punishment even having them. So, anyways, I wanted to share with you guys and tell you my personal review with Instasmile. Is it worth the penny, good or bad? So I constantly don't go around, wearing Instasmile. When I need to maybe take a picture and I'm thinking about showing my teeth, I will, in cases of that nature, wear my Instasmile. But on a day to day, because Instasmile is amazing. I mean, if you fit it properly, because they send you a mold. Let me first of all show you what it comes in. This is the packaging. It's I'm not gonna say it's beautifully packaged, but the packaging is this is what it looks like. And it has Instasmile written on it. So I have all my teeth. You can see it, but the only thing is the fact that it's almost like this butterscotch color, and it actually has gotten lighter over the years because of my whitening. I mean, if I wanted to go like the completely expensive route, which will be to have veneers, veneers are not out of this word expensive, but it's also for the time being of using it, it's not completely comfortable. I've done some research. Per teeth can be up to like $1,000 depending on where you're doing it. But if you go out of country, you could get it done cheaper. But I am that person. I don't mind to be uncomfortable, but being completely uncomfortable is not something that I always go for. And a lot of times it's good to get something done to make yourself feel better. But personally, for me, it's never a rush because I have lived with this teeth in my mouth for almost for a decade. I'm happily married, blessed with an amazing husband, beautiful kids. We do things for several reasons. And he met me this way, and he accepted me this way, and I'm comfortable with that, and I have always been comfortable with it. But I decided to get Instasmile for one reason. So when you go out, maybe to a party somewhere, and there are several things these days that you could use, applications on phones and computer that you could use to make your teeth whiter. But when you go out and you're taking pictures with 4 or 5 people, and then everyone is smiling, and you're like, I don't want to be the person they go, because things that are not usual can be distracting. So, and that was just the purpose for me, because Instant Smile is amazing, but I am not comfortable with having to constantly wear it because it gives me this lips effect, you know. And also, on top of me having this tetracycline syndrome teeth, I also suffer from just a slight open bite. It's not completely horrible, but I know it's there. So, like I told you guys before, nobody in life is perfect. Even with my imperfection, I still celebrate myself. And because my mom always say, if you don't learn to appreciate what you have that is good for you, things can be worse. And for that reason, I learned to complain less and appreciate more. So anyway, it's an Instasmile review, right? I'm now talking about personal stuff. Anyway, it's the Instasmile. So I wanted to let you guys know I do have all my teeth there, but I do have a discoloration from tetracycline. And so that was the reason why. If you don't follow me on my other channel, which is blissbeautyandglitter.com, I'll put a link to that initial video that I made and just had a few chit chat about life and how I got into the beauty industry and stuff of that nature. Anyway, so this is done for me. It's almost tailored to your teeth. So this is tailored to my teeth right here, because they send you guys probably can't see it properly because of my camera settings and stuff. So this is my teeth. That's the top. This is the bottom. It comes right here in, they send your mold, you do the fitting, and then, you send it back out, and it's almost like you make a cast for yourself, and then you send it out, and then they send the teeth to you. If you do it properly, because they send an instruction, and you can also watch it. I'll put the links down below, and you can check it out. So here's my teeth, my tetracycline beautiful teeth. But when I put on my Instasmile, you guys are going to be amazed at the drastic change. Here we go. Okay, I think that's the bottom. That's the bottom right here. So I'm going to put the bottom in so you guys can see. See it? You see it? I know it's really drastic, but it gives you that lips effect. So here's the top. I'm going to put the top in. You see it? You see it? Now, this is the part that I cannot stand. When I put it on, and from the get-go, because I've had this now for maybe about 2 years, and in most cases, if I'm going to take pictures, I'll just do, you see? And personally for me, I haven't gotten accustomed to wearing it, because it gives you that lips effect, But when it comes to fitting, you can see it. See it? It fits perfectly. Aside from the lips effect, and then if you're gonna be using it to talk, you're gonna pretty much have to lean back away from the video to where nobody can see that you're wearing something. But because of the way that I talk, it's uncomfortable for me to talk with it, as you can see. But I just wanted to share with you my Instasmile experience. The fitting is perfect. I actually got like the platinum white. See? I told myself I have gotten so used to having my tetracycline teeth that having this teeth was so unusual, and I remember my husband telling me, just wear it more often. And I'm like, I don't know, Yeah, and also you can see in the back. So if you're going to be the person who will constantly wear something of this nature, you're going to have to do it every day. Get used to it. Also, you cannot talk. And I'm the person, I talk like with all my mouth open. So that also is part of the cons. But overall, my Instasmile review, if you're the person who can learn to talk without having this lips effect, amazing, get it. And also, if you're the person who will not have to constantly worry about who can tell the difference, absolutely get it. Like you can see, this is my actual color of my teeth, and that's the Instasmile. Really wide, really beautiful. But like I said, I'm used to my color of teeth. I just wanted to share with you my Instasmile experience. If you plan on getting it, absolutely, definitely worth trying. This video wasn't sponsored. I wasn't paid for this. I paid for this in full, and I wanted to just share with you guys. It's so weird, when you have something in your mouth, but just imagine, it's beautiful, right? I know. But anyway, I'm going to take it out now because I feel a lot more comfortable with my actual teeth. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. That's my Instasmile review. The links are going to be down below if you want to check them out. If you also want to get yourself fitted for one, amazing product. Like I said, I take pictures with it, and you can see my thumbnail. Beautiful white teeth, perfect for taking pictures. And if you want to take pictures where you don't want people having to think about your teeth, perfect to use for that. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Kendy Bliss Beauty. Also, you can follow me if you're a beauty enthusiast on my other channel, which is blissbeautyandglitter.com. Thank you for watching. Thank you for commenting. Thank you for liking. Don't forget to subscribe. Click the notification. I think I already said that before. I have this habit of repeating it. I do that. It's an habit, but I'm used to it. Anyway, thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to click the notification bell. Share the video, like, comment. Till I see you guys in my next video. Stay beautiful, be good. Bye-bye.